Hi everyone, so I got 2 mystery bundles and add-ons. Also, I got something else, but it was I forgot what they called, dropship item? I think that's what they call them. They ship separately. I got those from my boyfriend. They were the tack light things. But anyways, here are the 2 mystery bundles. They actually look pretty good from what I can see of them. So, kind of excited to see them this time. Okay. First thing I am pulling out is $35 value, but it says there's $20 on there. So it's from Saturday Skin, and it is Cotton Cloud Probiotic Power Mask. Oh, I think there's 2 things in here. Yeah, and then the okay, so you have the Cotton Cloud Probiotic Power Mask and the Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream in here. So, okay, so you got, oh my gosh, it's so hard to get out. So there's 1. There's 2 masks, and then the eye cream. So that's pretty good. Then in here, there is this Algenist Alive Prebiotic Balancing Mask. So there's this. And this is what it looks like. It's a very nice bottle. And then it comes with, I guess, directions or info on the mask. And then I got the original beauty blender, which is nice-ish. I've never had an actual one from Beauty Blender, so I guess I can try it, but I don't do my foundation in that much, so I don't know how much use I'm gonna get out of it. And then the last two items, I think they're from the same, but yep, they're both from CosRx. Came like this. So this is the Ultimate Nourishing Rice Overnight Spa Mask. And the other thing that is in here is the Moisture Renewal Power Cream. Well, PHA Moisture Renewal Power Cream. That's what it looks like. And then here's the bottle. Oh, the lid wasn't on all the way, so okay, but it has the thing, and it doesn't look like anything was used, so that's good. Oh, there's so much stuff. So, in my first mystery bundle, I got more than what you usually get, because some of them came in sets. So I got the Beauty Blender, the 2 CosRx products, so that's 3 items there. Then the Algenist, which is 4 products. Then 2 sheet masks and the eye cream. And eye cream usually lasts a pretty long time, so I think this is a good size for an eye cream. So I'm going to count the sheet mask as 2. 1, 2, 3. I mean, as 1, 4, 5, 6. Got 6 items in here, so that's pretty good. Okie dokie. On to the next mystery bundle. Oh, I'm gonna have to like rip this to get it open. Hi, Buggy. Buggy says hi. He's a sweet little boy. Yes, he is. He's a very playful little thing, too. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is from Serum Kind. It's a facial serum. Purple cabbage drop. Oh, I wonder if it's going to be purple. What is that? Come on, light. I think it's just the bottle that's tinged purple, but I'm not sure. But here it is. It might actually be kind of purple, but I don't want to open it yet, so there's that. And there's a big guy right here. Let's see what this is. A splash of salt. Summer and rose, a splash of salt, notes of citrus, sea salt, cypress, and driftwood. Okay, so it's candle, I'm assuming. Hopefully the actual candle has that design on them. Oh, it does. It's just, I was hoping that it'd just be all this design and no words on it, because I like using them that way. Then again, I'm not a huge fan, but it doesn't smell terrible. Next is Sorosi. Just like that. So whatever that means. It's a morning drizzle bucket mist. And that's what it is. Nice size. It's just plastic. And last thing I'm pulling out, there's two in here. Little bag. Great. Tied this too. Why they have to tie everything? I don't know how I'm gonna get this out. I don't have scissors for this. How do they expect us to get this out? I'm having one of those days. Actually, I'm just having one of those weeks. Actually, I'm having one of those months. Actually, no, I think everyone's having one of those years. Smells good. Okay, so this is from Amass, and it's aloe, cinnamon, allspice, clove, and eucalyptus. I can't. 70% alcohol-based hand sanitizer for when water is unavailable. Apply liberally to dry hands and rub briskly until evaporated. Okay. I dig this. It smells so good. And then I'm guessing that this is another hand sanitizer. Or maybe it's a moisturizer for afterwards. Because, you know, your hands get a little dry from all this hand sanitizer. Nope, it's the same thing. Is it the exact same one? Cinnamon, allspice, clove, eucalyptus. Yep, so we got two little hand sanitizers in here. They're the spray kind, which I kind of prefer those ones. So, in the second mystery bundle, you got two hand sanitizers, the candle, the serum, and the face mist. So, I actually think both of them were pretty good this time. I've been pretty, with some of them before, especially when they had a crap ton of ish products in them. But, ish products this time, so that's great. But yeah, I think these ones were pretty good compared to ones that I've gotten in the past. So, yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Hope y'all have a great day. Bye.